for Dan.
I will.
I'll get out of them.
So, and where
In Port,
Can I make a suggestion?
Portland, I think.
yeah.
Since they're playing like that,
Uh-huh.
you might want to lift this seat up.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, because
There,
I was
now you
kind of
won't
worried
get
about the hole.
Now you won't get your you won't get your legs caught. It's like I want to play. Come on, let's play. How old is this one?
She's 5 months old.
How's that one?
12 weeks.
Oh,
3 months. So,
And we're going to get a Wheaton puppy pretty soon.
oh.
Yeah,
oh, there's
ours
another
are-
puppy, a little cocker.
Ours, she came from Montgomery of Camas Scottish Terriers in Ukiah.
I don't know the breeder on her. It was a breeder in Gresham, I know that. And then the people just couldn't keep her. And, you know, I would think at this age they would have taken her back to the breeder. I don't know. You know, but...
And I've talked to our breeder, and they make those funny noises like that.
yeah, she's only been... I've only had her since Monday night.
Oh, gosh.
And but you know, she was quiet